Okay, we're going to open it in Excel. And I'm going to sort, move this up a little bit. Okay, so my largest value is 18 and my largest value is 46 and my smallest value is 18. So my range is 28, and we have, using the 2K rule, we have 25 data points, so 2 to the 4th would be 16. That wouldn't be enough. 2 to the 5th is 32, and that is bigger than 25. So we have 5 classes. Can't see that. Okay, so if we take our max minus min and divide by 5, it looks like we're going to get 6 for our width. So our first class would be 18, starting at 18 to 23. So 23, 29, 35, 41, 47, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 53. Sorry, we're going to stop there because we have 5 classes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm going to get the frequency. So equal frequency. Highlight your data points all the way to 25, and then comma, then highlight your bins, close your parenthesis and press enter. And so here is our frequency, and then you could do you could go ahead and do relative frequency and cumulative relative, but I'm going to skip that because I think the histogram was the question. So you're going to go, and if you don't have the data analysis, the tool pack, watch the main video in the chapter 2 module about histograms, and I'll show you how to add that. So now we can go to data, and we're going to click on data analysis. Mine is over here to the far right, and I'm going to do a histogram and press OK. And then it's going to want your input range. This is all of your values that you have, and then your bin range. This is your bins over here. Okay, now we're going to put it in a new worksheet, and make sure you click on chart output and then hit OK. And then I think I already have this pulled up, but here you can see there's 1 here, 7 here, 5, 5, and 7. But you really don't have to do a histogram on this one because see 1, 7, 5, 5, and 7. If you scroll down and look at this, this is 1. And this is, because this is 6, so halfway, 7, 5, 5, 7. And if you need to even look closer to see, it wouldn't be this one because these two should be exactly the same, because look up here, 5, 5. The 3rd and 4th class should be the same, and the only one where the 3rd and 4th class is the same is the first one. So let me know if you have any questions about how to make a histogram, or how to look at these graphs, look at these numbers. You can zoom in, see how it's going up by 2. So halfway between 0 and 2, this is 1. This is 6. Halfway between 6 and 8 is 7. So you have to kind of get familiar with that part of it too. But let me know if you have any questions. I hope this video helps.